"3D printed the rolling stock this time. We've got the coach, the gondola, and the caboose. They all use the same chassis. Chassis is similar construction to the tender. All the they're all friction fit and don't need to be glued on. And the caboose comes with two. You have the regular and the cupola roof. And they work alright. I'll link to the coupler I used. I think this is enough Bumpy Ride for now. I've got a little blue robot who probably wants his spotlight back. So let's see what the next video is. Bye for now.